this episode, the 10 best camouflaged animals in the world. As always, we have a very special guest, so don't you dare to leave early. Number 10. The tawny frogmouth. Tawny frogmouths have exceptional camouflage abilities. When threatened, they adopt a defensive posture, resembling a broken branch or stump, enhancing their camouflage. Number 9. The orchid mantis. This species is found in Southeast Asia, primarily in rainforest habitats. The orchid mantis exhibits an extraordinary resemblance to flowers, allowing it to ambush unsuspecting prey. Number 8. The stonefish. Stonefish are incredibly well camouflaged thanks to their skin patterns and textures resembling rocks or coral. They are venomous and capable of delivering a potent sting if threatened. Number 7. The katydids. Katydids are known for their remarkable ability to mimic leaves. They have elongated bodies, leaf-like coloration, and specialized structures that resemble leaf veins. Number 6. The snowshoe hare. The snowshoe hare's fur changes color from brown in the summer to white in the winter. This adaptation allows them to stay well camouflaged and helps them avoid predation. Number 5. The cuttlefish. Cuttlefish have the ability to produce rapid changes in their skin pigmentation using specialized cells called chromatophores. They can also create mesmerizing displays to communicate. Number 4. The walking stick insect. Walking sticks are masters of mimicry, imitating twigs or branches to avoid detection by predators. They have long, slender bodies and slow movements that help them blend in with plants. Number 3. The leaf-tailed gecko. They are primarily found in Madagascar and other nearby islands. These geckos have remarkable camouflage that includes body coloration, shape, and skin texture resembling a leaf. Number 2. The octopus. They have 3 hearts and a highly developed nervous system. They can squeeze their bodies through small openings and use their tentacles for various tasks, including camouflage. Number 1. John Cena. For years, a curious phenomenon had surrounded John Cena, rendering him invisible to the world. Although the world can't see him, his invisible legacy continues to inspire and uplift. Number 1. The chameleon. Chameleons can rotate and independently move their eyes, allowing them to have a 360-degree field of vision. They can also change their skin color to communicate or regulate their temperature. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to show me some love, leave a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and make sure you tune in for the next episode. If you don't tune in for the next episode, I will kick you in the nuts.